Hello everyone, this is Monali Mishra from KP Classes and we are launching a new course for NATA 2023. Now, the highlight of this course is customized to your comfort. This course, we have brought this course in such a way that you can customize this entire course to whatever comfort that you require this for. So the things that are available in this course, the different facilities, the options, the customizable aspects that are available in this course, under this course, I'm going to brief that out for you. Now the courses that the subjects that we will be covering under this is all the three subjects which are asked in your NATA examination, that is your architecture, aptitude and sketching, with one-on-one guidance on sketching. So we have teachers, we have faculty who is going to guide you one-on-one for your sketching and will help you improve your sketching capabilities. Special emphasis on architecture section. Now, you are already aware of the aptitude part, quantitative legal reasoning. It's something that you're already aware of. But architecture part is not something, will be something basically you'll be studying for the first time, not something that you are aware of that much. So a special emphasis will be put on the architecture section so that you're able to understand the basic underlying concepts of architecture and you can solve the questions very easily. So you have one-on-one guidance for your sketching, for the improvement of your sketching skills and overemphasis on your architecture section. The different facilities that are available under this course. First of all, you have a live video lecture. So we have live classes going on. If you want, you can avail the live classes. We have the live classes going on and these classes will be also available to you in recorded video format. That means if you end up missing a particular class on a certain someday, let's say, then you can avail that particular class. You can rewatch that particular class again and again multiple times through the recorded video lectures which we will be providing you. One-on-one guidance by the faculty. So you will always have a one-on-one guidance and interaction. It will be an interactive class. It will be a live class where you will have the option to basically, unmute yourself and ask whatever questions you want to ask, clarify whatever doubt you have. So it will be a one-on-one interaction with the faculty all the times. Again, recorded video lectures, you miss the class, not a problem, or you want to revisit something, rewatch something, again, not a problem. You can do that unlimited times. Study material will be available. So we have put together, we have basically, created a study material which is going to help you understand the underlying, trend that is asked in NATA examinations, the type of questions, everything. We have put together a study material taking all those things into consideration, which will undoubtedly help you score the best marks in NATA examination and will guarantee your success in that examination. PYQ solutions and practice assignments. Now, something that I have been telling always, and I always say that no matter whatever examination you're appearing for, previous year question papers are very, very important in order to understand what kind of questions are asked, in order to understand what is the importance of a certain section in the examination. We have to go through PYQs, and oftentimes we do get questions which are repeated, so that is a helpful point for us. So PYQ solutions will be given. We will also be doing previous year question papers in the class. Whatever concept you're learning, everything will be basically backed up by your previous year questions which have been asked in NATA, so that you understand what kind of questions are being asked. And with that, you will get practice assignments which will help you solidify your preparation even more. Now, once you have done all of these things, learned everything, we have sectional test series and mock test series. Now, this entire preparation, it has been divided into multiple small modules for your ease of understanding. So after every module, you'll have sectional test series, which will help you, have a little bit more solidified understanding and a clearer understanding of specific sections. If there's any specific section that you feel uncomfortable in or you feel a bit scared in, you can take up these tests and you can basically solidify your overall preparation in this. And to get you the full, examination simulation of the NATA, we have mock test series also, which will give you an idea of what kind of or how is it to sit for the entire length. You will be basically practicing to sit for the full length of the duration for NATA. So we have sectional test series and mock test series with which you will be taking your preparation a notch ahead. On-spot doubt clearance, which I already said, the classes are going to be completely interactive. You can unmute yourself at any moment. You have doubts, you can ask. The faculties always encourage asking doubts in the class anytime. And if let's say you don't have a doubt in the class, you're clear, but then later on when you studied and you had a little bit of doubt, you feel like, asking something, still not a problem. You will have 24/7 faculty connectivity via chat options. So there'll be chat options via which you can connect to any faculty that you want, and you can ask any doubt at any point of time, and the faculty will take up that doubt of yours. Now, all of these multiple facilities, you don't have to go to multiple places to, avail this. All of these will be available on your KP Classes Exam Prep app. All you have to do is download the KP Classes Exam Prep app, and all these facilities will be available there. You want study material, it's there. You want video lectures, it's there. You want to chat with the faculty, it's there. Everything at one stop solution. Now, if let's say you do not want to avail, or if you do not want to enroll for the live lectures, still not a problem. If you think that I don't have the time for the live classes, I cannot do that, still it is completely okay. You can only avail the recorded video lectures and study materials. If you feel I'll just be okay with the recorded video lectures and study material, you can even do that. Apart from that, how long is this course going to last? Basically, what is the duration of this course? If I have to tell you, that is completely depending on you. Now, as you know, as you might be aware that previous year NATA had three attempts. Now, depending on the number of attempts, let's say you have you're giving one attempt or two attempt, depending on that and depending on what you feel like. If you feel that okay, I want to have I want to take guidance from the faculty up till my third attempt, or up till my second attempt, or up till just first attempt, you can customize the duration of the course based on your own requirement, which is the best factor. You don't have to sit and you don't have to wait for the entire class to go on. No, if you want to fast track your preparation, you can do that in a month. Or if you want the guidance till the end of your attempt, and if you think that I want to be guided by the faculties till the end before the attempt, you can also do that. And with that customization, something else gets customized, that is your fees. That means as per the duration, you will have to, your fees can also be customized based on that. So that is giving you a very budget friendly option. You can customize as per your fee requirement. You can choose whatever you want to do. So you have a completely flexible course, a completely customizable course at your service. And as I already told you, if you do not feel like, if you think that you have examinations and all, and you do not feel like enrolling for the live classes, even okay, not a problem. You can avail just the video lectures, the recorded lectures, you can avail them along with the study material. So you have those things also. Now we have the new batch. We are starting the new batch from 18th February 2023. So that is the next Saturday, we are launching a new batch. And every Saturday, a new batch will be starting. So even if you are a little bit late on the train, it's perfectly fine. We are still going on. So every Saturday, we launch a new batch. But the first batch is starting from 18th February 2023. Make sure that you take this, date into note, because we will be starting our first batch from 18 February 2023, and every Saturday you will be having a new batch. So even if you want to, because board examinations are going on now, even if you want to enroll after the board examinations, perfectly okay, you can enroll it before any Saturday and you will be enrolled with a new batch. For more details, obviously if you want to get a little bit more details, specific details, you can definitely visit the kpclasses.in app. Apart from that, you can also call on the numbers which is given in the description box below. You can talk to our counselors, you can ask them about specific details if you feel like, and you can anytime visit the kpclasses.in website. You can check out the different facilities that are available, and obviously KP Classes app is also there. So for more details, please call on the numbers given in the description below. Thank you very much.